In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a QuickBooks invoice. If you find yourself needing to void an invoice, perhaps due to an error or a cancelled transaction, don't worry, it's a straightforward process. I'm here to guide you step by step to handle this efficiently and effectively. To get started, we'll first need to head over to QuickBooks Online, open your preferred web browser, and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign in button located in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Next, it's time to enter your login credentials. You'll need to type in your registered email address and your password. If you have the credentials handy, this step should be quick. For those who might have forgotten their password, there's always the option to reset it, so no need to panic. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the sign in button once more and you'll be taken to the QuickBooks Online dashboard. Welcome to your hub for handling all things accounting. Now, to void an invoice, we need to begin by navigating to the sales section. On your left hand menu you should see the sales option. By clicking on this, you'll reveal various tabs within the sales module. Next, click on the invoices tab. Here you'll see a list of all invoices, including those that are unpaid. Scroll through them until you find the one that you need to void. When you've located the invoice, you'll want to take note of the small drop down menu located next to it. Click on this drop down to display more actions you can take with this invoice. Within this drop down menu, you'll see the option to void. Click on void, but remember, you'll have one more step to fully commit to this action. Voiding an invoice is a non-reversible change, so QuickBooks will ask you to confirm this decision. This is a fail-safe to make sure you really want to go through with it. To finalize the process, click on void again when prompted, and just like that, the invoice will be voided. You're now free from any constraints that invoice might have caused in your records. And there you have it, a simple process to void an invoice within QuickBooks, helping you keep your financial records both accurate and up to date. Be sure to double check your other transactions to maintain consistency across your records. Thank you for following along and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions. Have a great day.